In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 2-column and 3-column lists in Microsoft Word, whether you're using a PC or a Mac. Organizing your content into columns can make your documents look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read, especially when working with lists, schedules, or menus. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can create columns quickly and efficiently. The first step is to select the text you want to format into columns. Open your Word document and highlight the section of text that you want to split. If you haven't typed your list yet, you can type it first, then select it. Highlighting ensures that Word knows exactly which part of your document you want to change. Next, go to the Layout tab on the ribbon. Look for the Columns button. On a PC, it's typically on the right side, and on a Mac, it may appear in a similar spot in the Layout menu. Click on the Columns button, and you'll see a small drop-down menu with options like 1, 2, 3, left, and right. Select 2 to split your text into 2 equal columns. Your selected text will now be arranged in 2 neat columns across the page. If you want to create 3 columns instead, follow the same steps, but select 3 from the Columns menu. Word will automatically divide your text into 3 equal sections. You can also choose More Columns at the bottom of the drop-down to access advanced options, such as adjusting the width of each column, changing spacing between columns, or applying columns to a specific part of your document. Once your columns are set, it's a good idea to check the formatting. Make sure the text flows correctly and that no lines are cut off awkwardly. If necessary, you can adjust the spacing or even add a column break by placing your cursor where you want the break. Then going to the Layout tab, selecting breaks, and choosing column. This gives you more control over how your text appears on the page. By using these steps, you can easily create professional-looking 2-column or 3-column lists that improve readability and make your document more visually appealing. Columns are especially helpful for newsletters, flyers, or any document where space and organization matter. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.